flew in. Hey, that's the one you flew in.
Freaking car people to drive them home from the wine fest.
Watch.
Are you sure that's the one that was floating?
Oh, don't forget that.
That is not the one that
Looks farther away on the camera. Just land already. I'm going back by the cars. No, I haven't.
Are you videoing?
I'm surprised it just got in my eyes from way back there.
I know, I was like this and the dust still got in my eye.
Would it get in your eyes if you did this? I don't think so. Do you know how to upload to YouTube? Can you help me with that? Okay.
They're talking through their mic.
They're not doing anything.
They knocked down the phone.
Oh my God, they did. Hold on.
Mommy, see all that sand over there?
They knocked over that cone.
That was watching.
I'm at full zoom. This is so sensitive.
I hope they shut it off. Yep, you can hear it. Mike, take a picture.
Whoa, they're getting out. They're getting out. They're getting out. I need to zoom in actually for this.
Mommy, is that Friends playing in the background?
Yeah.
Called it.
Stop shaking the fence.
It's not me shaking it now, it's the fence.
What, you were shaking it? He's getting out.
My arms that are on the fence. Look, the guy got out. Look behind you. That's what you get for hitting me. Is that cool there? You are so mean. No, not
Aaron, run the whole entire baseball field with a swimming pool.
That would be
I'll go
cool.
over there. Me and my have to be.
Hey, Caden, this is gonna be uploaded to YouTube. Do you have any comments? Back up.
Go to Cheating Winner and give me likes. Now.
No.
I need likes.
You don't deserve it.
I need likes.
You.
I need likes. I need likes.
Get out of here.
I need likes. I need likes.